Ready? On a piece of paper, show me the number bond. How did you know the answer to that problem? What do you see when you see this? How did you know it was 15? What number bond are you seeing in your mind? So she didn't write it like this, but this is what I would ask first graders to do. They draw me a picture, a number bond. That's how they knew it was 15. Everybody okay with that? Okay, everybody, write an equation for how you knew it was 15. How you knew. I know this was the original one, but that's not how we did it. What did you ultimately see in your mind? Well, if you saw this, what would you write for your equation? Did anybody write 10 plus 5 is 15? Did anybody write it this way? 15 is 10 plus 5. Which is more familiar to your kids, this way or this way? So once they're good at this way, what should you start to introduce? This way, the meaning of an equal sign, it doesn't mean makes. It can mean makes, but it's 15 has the same value as a 10 and a 5. Everybody okay with that? Okay, so everybody agree that's one way to think about it? Okay, you have an advanced kid. Do you guys have any advanced kids in your class? I mean, truly advanced, not their parents told you they were advanced. You don't have a lot, but you do have some. Can you help other kids get to that level? What might an advanced kid do? When I said, how'd you know it was 15? Kid goes like this. Watch what I do. Anybody know what the advanced kid is thinking? Kid went like this. Some kids would go like this. But that feels like what operation? Show me. What operation did that feel like? This. A lot of kids are thinking this if they did that. But if they did this, does that feel like addition or does it feel like this? Okay, kids, give me a thumbs up if you see this now. Show me with your arm. Where are the 3 groups of 5? Show me. We good? Does everybody see now 3 groups of 5? Really? I see this. Show me where this is. What's this called in math when it goes horizontal? Say it, I can read lips. Row? What's it called when I go this way in math? Column? Did I just raise the DOK of this problem? We're now at a grade 3 level with a first grade problem. Ready? Show me with your fingers. What's the biggest group you see? Show me. Somebody said this. Somebody else said this. How many groups of this do you see? What's the smallest group you see? Everybody see groups of 1? How many groups of 1 do you see? Let's recap. Does everybody see this? Does everybody see this? Does everybody see this? Does everybody see this? What did I just name for the number 15? Factor pairs. What grade is that? Did I just raise the DOK of this problem? DOK is not inherent to a problem. DOK is about our own DOK as a teacher. You can change the problem's DOK. Now, the other misinformation is you got to find a problem with low floor, high ceiling. You do. What does low floor mean? Entry point for your all kids. What does high ceiling mean? A place for all the kids to go. High ceiling. Is the floor and the ceiling of a problem fixed? Or can you change it? Did I just raise the ceiling a lot on that problem? How do I lower the floor? If I hand everybody a piece of paper and said, that's your task, go do it. I didn't lower the floor because some kids, they're not ready for abstract equations. But if I say this and I give them 10 frames with unifix cubes or counters, would that lower the floor for every kid? So one of the most important ideas when you think about intervention and enrichment is you need low floor, high ceiling problems, but you can change those based on how you teach. You need high DOK, but it's not finding problems with high DOK, it's raising your own. Now, a poor teacher can take a really good problem and they teach it as a procedure and it turns into a low DOK problem. Oh, just do this. That's not what we want. Everybody okay with this?